In India, there's a man who feeds 4,000 birds every single day for the last 16 years in the heart of a crowded city. How is this possible? Why do birds live in this city? And how can this guy afford to feed all of them? In this small house in the town of Chennai, India, we found this guy.
Hi, my name is Joseph Sager and I feed 4,000 parrots every day.
First, let me tell you how all of this started. In 2004, a huge tsunami hit the city of Chennai. Many people died and many animals lost their homes. 4 of these animals were birds. They had to migrate to find a new source of food, so they ended up on the roof of Joseph.
அதாவது பறவைகள் வந்து நிறைய அந்த சுனாமிலேருந்து வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. ஃபீடிங் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருந்தோம்.
He thought that was it. But the next day, the 4 birds brought their friends and their friends' friends. 4 birds became 10, then 50, then 100, then 500. And before Joseph knew it, 4,000 birds came to his roof looking for food.
இதுங்களை வந்து துரத்தி விட மனசு இல்லை, அதனால் ரெகுலராக அதுங்களுக்கு உணவளிக்கிறதில்ல என்னுடைய டைமை ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன் நான்.
But feeding 4,000 birds is not easy. For one thing, you cannot just use your leftovers.
எவ்ரிடே வந்து இன்றைக்கி மார்னிங் அண்ட் ஈவினிங் 75 kgs ஆகுது. அது ஏன்னா இன்றைக்கி அதை பார்க்கும்போது 75 kgs வந்தது $40 to $50 ஆகும்.
He pays $50 per day out of his own pocket, his own personal savings, just to feed these birds, which is roughly 40% of his entire income.
இது வந்து எனக்கு கொடுத்த இறைவன் கொடுத்த கிஃப்ட். இந்த இயற்கையை நேசிக்கிறதுனால இந்த கிளிகளுக்கு உணவளித்து சந்தோஷமாக இருக்க, டெய்லி ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன்.
Every morning he gets up at 4:30 a.m., goes to the market to buy rice, cooks the rice, goes to his roof, puts up these planks, spreads the rice on the planks, and when the time comes, thousands of birds will show up on his roof to eat. It's such an amazing sight that you cannot see anywhere else in the city.
இந்த இடமும் இந்த கிளிகளும் தான் எனக்கு சந்தோஷம். வேற என்ன வேணும் எனக்கு இந்த வாழ்க்கையில்?
Joseph has been doing this on his own, day after day, twice a day, for 16 years, no matter if it's sunny or if there's a storm. In fact, because of the birds, he cannot leave his house. For 27 years, he's been renting this house. His dream is to buy it one day and feed the birds until he passes away.
பறவைகளை என்னுடைய குழந்தைகள் மாதிரி பார்க்குறேன். இதை விட எனக்கு வேற சந்தோஷம் என்ன வேணும் வாழ்க்கையில்?
This is a lot of effort, this is a lot of money, and most of the time, this is a thankless job. Tell the world about India's bird man. Let's make him feel valued. Let's support his mission. Because there is nothing better than helping those who help the needy.